Today I have my hands on the brand new Series 7 Hermès Apple Watch. Last year we actually did a couple videos on the Series 6 Hermès Apple Watch, and they're actually some of my most watched and commented on videos. Today we're going to do a first look at the Series 7, and then we'll do another video later. But if you have any questions you want answered, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. In addition to if you have any questions about the Series 7 Hermès Apple Watch. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Just like the previous Hermès Apple Watch, yes, these come with a hefty premium. And these are the most expensive Apple Watches you can get. They start at $1,229. Yes, $1,229 before tax. And if you want to even spend more money, you can get one for $1,499. What do you get for all that cash? Well, variety for one thing. Hermès has added more options for their already extensive offering, and I want to get into what's new and what premium features you get. But first, let's take a closer look at the actual watch. Okay, you can see here that it comes with 3 boxes, 2 boxes inside, one bigger box for the accessories and the actual watch, and then one for the band. So we're gonna open up this bigger box first. Oh, it's got a pull tab. Let's see. You guys can watch. Oh no, not the nails. Here we go. Oh, this even feels thicker to open. I don't know if I did that super good. Oops. Okay, check it out. Okay, so we got the paperwork here and then the actual watch. Underneath the paperwork, we have the charger. Something really cool about this is this comes with another band. If you want to call it free, I don't know if you can necessarily call it free with this hefty price, but it does come with an extra sports band, which is awesome. So this sports band comes with the Hermès Apple Watch. No matter what other band you choose, it comes with it. This one is black because, let's take the actual watch out of this paper packaging protector. You can see that the color is space black, which used to be one of the options on the standard Apple Watch that you could get, but when the Series 6 and Series 7 came out, it's only Hermès exclusive now. The black is super black and the finishing looks amazing. It has what we call DLC or diamond-like coating, and it is extremely scratch resistant. Most of the Apple Watches come with the stainless steel, and well, stainless steel will scratch. I have a family member that actually has the original Apple Watch in the space black with DLC, and even after all these years, not one single scratch. Coming back to this sports band though, if you don't get the space black watch, then you will end up getting an orange sports band, which I actually have here. So it will look like this. If you get the space black though, you will be getting a black band. Okay, speaking of bands, let's open up this second box here. Here we have the Hermès Circa H Single Tours in Noir Blue Electric. And I talked a little bit last year about the Hermès bands and how cool they really are and how good they feel. But I gotta say, this might be the nicest one I felt. It feels really good and looks even better. And then one other detail you can see here is that the buckle and the end links here actually match the back of the space black watch. That looks really sharp. There are tons of different Hermès exclusive bands if you go on Apple's site. Under the Hermès category, you can choose Create Your Style to show all the options available. There are some new colors available this year and also some new styles of straps. This one, the Circa H Single Tours, is new and available in different color options. There's a new nylon option, the Jumping Single Tour, a bunch of different options from the Single Tour, and also standard double tour bands that we've been familiar with. And then there is this new really interesting gourmet double tour. Some of the bands only fit with specific case sizes, so you'll see that the double tours only work with the 41mm sizes, And then the single tore bands with the deployment buckle are only sold with the 45mm model. All of these bands are super high quality and again, just nicer, more premium than the normal Apple Watch options. Of course, the band and the case materials are only half of the watch design, and perhaps more important to look at are the watch faces. In my opinion, this is where Hermès really excels. I don't particularly love the normal Apple Watch faces, but the Hermès ones are definitely the best looking and best designed. You may have noticed as I scrolled through the band options that the face on the watch would also change. Of course, you don't have to use those specific faces with those bands, but they are options. A new face option this year is the Hermès Circuit H, which, yes, looks really good with the Circuit H band. All of the Hermès options look really great and have a ton of different color options. In addition to the Circuit H, there's also Circular, Noir, if you get Space Black, and the original Hermès. I still think the original might be my favorite. It doesn't give you hardly any complication options though. If you want that, the Circular would be the way to go. You can, of course, use any of the standard Apple Watch faces. One fun addition though is that you can do this orange Hermès color option in most of the Apple Watch other faces. I want to do another video on the Series 7 in general, so let me know in the comments if you would like that. One of the new faces that I kind of like that is Series 7 specific is the contour face. Especially when the screen is in lower power mode, I think it has a cool kind of minimalist but still functional look. It really highlights the edge-to-edge display of this new screen, which I said in my initial thoughts video that I wasn't sure how big of a deal this was going to be. It is a big deal. It feels like a new design. It's ridiculous, but it does have me thinking about upgrading my Series 6 to a Series 7. If I were to upgrade though, would I do the Hermès? Well, for me, the price is really high. Clearly, the Hermès is super awesome and has a lot to offer. However, I particularly like my aluminum model and it doesn't really bother me. This particular model is $1,359. If I were to upgrade the Series 6 that I have now to the Series 7 with basically the same watch I have now, it would be $399. That's almost $1,000 more. I think that's pretty hard to justify. Sure, I'd be getting a nice scratch-proof space black case, and also the glass on Hermès is sapphire, so it doesn't scratch either, unlike the aluminum model. I'd also be getting cellular built-in and access to those amazing designed watch faces. So it definitely isn't nothing. You get a lot, and if those are things you care about and you have the money, I think you'll be really happy with the purchase knowing you have the best Apple Watch available. The Hermès Series 7 Apple Watch. Holy crap, that was awesome, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed because we have a lot more Apple products coming soon. I'm really excited to show you guys. Thanks so much and have a good day.